Yahoo! Hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green girly cutie patuti iguana, nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating episode ngayon, panibagong episode na naman ng ating lecture dito po sa G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Pero before tayo mag-start, ay hihingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Yun po, so ang topic po natin for today is what happens to our body when we drink enough water. Nagayan muna natin si Gida niya. So what happens to your body when you drink enough water? So this is a medically reviewed by isang doktor. Ang pangalan niya po ay si Silpa Sheikh, MD. Sinulat niya po ito noong August 28, 2023. Reviewed pala, pero sinulat po siya ni Paul Frisch. Okay? So, nandyan din po ang ating description sa baba. Tingnan niyo lang po yung description natin sa baba. At para po ay kayo po ay makapagbasa o makapag-follow in case na hindi niyo po maintindihan yung aking mga sinasabi. Alright, so number 1 is you stay regular. You stay regular, which means it is common to get rid or to get a little constipated if you don't drink enough water. So ito po importante sa lahat to, water. It is very important na mag-inom tayo o minom tayo ng tubig because it is common to get little constipated. Ma-constipated tayo pag hindi tayo umiinom ng enough water. Inactivity, diet changes, illness, and even stress can add up to the problem. So, nakakadagdag po sa problema pag meron tayong inactivity, like if we don't exercise, if we don't move, if you just sit there the whole day. And diet changes. May iba kasi na biglang abrupt ang pag-change ng kanilang diet. Okay? So, illness, meron silang underlying problem or health problems, and other stress related problems can add to the problem. The constipation usually passes on its own. So, ano lang po yan, parang cycle po yan, and eventually po, kaya constipated ka, may time na mawawala din po yan. Okay, magiging normal naman, pero ayun, meron siyang parang maabot sa time na kung minsan constipated ka, kung minsan hindi. Okay? So, but you can help move things along with exercise. Pag nag-exercise po tayo, okay, we can really improve our digestive system. Over-the-counter meds and other course and water. So, yung iba po ay umiinom ng mga stool relaxant or may mga binalagay po dyan so kanilang anus or sa rectum po nila para po ay para lumabas po or maging soft ang kanilang or tawag niyan ay suppository. Okay? And of course, drinking water. Ito po yung water. O tamo, nandito rin ako sa reflection, no. 'Di ba? Alright, so ang ganda ng aking ano pa yan, no. Kulay-kulay pa yan, mga masters. Okay? So see a doctor if your constipation lasts for more than a week or 2, or you have dizziness, okay, hilo-hilo ka, bad pain in the belly, masakit po dito, may pain, and blood on your stool, so may dugo po yung poops mo. This could be signs of something more serious. So pag lumampas na po ng 2 weeks na hindi ka po meron kang constipation at meron kang dizziness, and you have pain in your belly and blood in your stool, kaya kailangan na talaga nating magpa-check kasi baka mayroong underlying problem po yan. Okay? So, next is, number 2 is your joints work better. Nangyay po yung tubig ko. Ay, meron po yan. This is a hydrogen water. Hydrogen water po ito, mga masters. Okay? So, may sarili po siyang production ng hydrogen. Ayan o. Diba? Alright, so ligay ko muna sa gilid yan. Okay? So, syempre, water makes up the larger part of your joint cartilage that helps absorb shock and make bone against bone movement smoother. So, halimbawa, ito, may bone, so cartilage, joints. So para po hindi siya masakit, meron din po siyang ingredients dyan, or mga cartilage natin is also made of water, or large part of it is made of water. So para hindi po siya masakit at hindi po siya dry, we need water. Okay? Water is also can help keep gout. Yung gout, di ba? Alam niyo po ang gout or arthritis of presence of uric acid po sa inyong kasukasuan. Okay? So that's a painful joint condition. If you have gout, it hurts, especially on like dito po sa mga joints natin, dito sa mga paa, sa fingers, yun. Okay? So it helps flush toxins from your body that could inflame your joints. So it's very important that for those, if you really want to get rid or stay away from having gout or any sorts of arthritis, it's really good that you have to drink enough water, masters. Okay? So number 3 is you sweat. Dahil po tayo ay nagpapapawis, and that's a good thing. Don't get mad or don't feel bad if you sweat, because sweat is a good thing. As sweat evaporates from your skin, pag lumabas po yung pawis natin at nag-evaporate, it cools down your body. It helps cool down our body. Ito po, nag-alarm na po siya, yung aking tubig. At ito po ay tapos na po ang pagluto ng kanyang hydrogen. Okay. So it helps cool down your body pag nag-evaporate na po yung sweat natin sa ating skin. Have a couple of extra 2 cups of water in a couple of 2 hours. Okay, so in every 2 hours, try your best to have a drink. Okay, it says here, have a couple of extra cups of water in a couple of hours before you head out for exercise. So dapat before ka mag-exercise, at least 2 hours before that, okay, uminom ka na ng 2 extra cups ng tubig. Okay, kasi magpapapawis ka, and expected po yun, yung katawan mo po ay maglalabas ng mga toxins. Kung kailangan talaga, rehydrated ka, or mag-hydrate ka muna bago lumabas para meron kang stock sa loob at mag-cool, hindi siya sobrang init sa loob. Try to take about 7 to 10 ounces of water every 1 to 20 minutes during exercise. Sino ba sa inyo dito ang nag-exercise? So it says here 7 to 8 ounces of water every 10 to 20 minutes during exercise too. Remember, you might not see the sweat you lose if you are in a pool or an air-conditioned gym. Hindi ka pa aware, hindi mo nakikita yung amount ng sweat na lumalabas sa iyo pag ikaw po ay nasa gym na malamig or sa area na malamig or nag-jogging ka naman sa malamig na area, hindi mo talaga ma-feel yan. At syempre, pag nasa pool ka, pumapawis ka, pero syempre may tubig yung pool. Number 4 is avoid dehydration. If you drink enough water, you avoid dehydration. Without enough water, you can sweat away too much fluid. Okay? Pag walang tubig, marami kang pawis na lalabas sa iyo. Okay? You can also lose sodium and potassium that your body needs. If you're not drinking enough water and you're sweating, your body loses a lot of sodium kasi asin, and potassium, which is also very important for our body's functioning. It's especially true in the heat. So yun, pag palagi ka sa mainit na lugar at sa sauna or sa mga areas na tropical, ayun po. Okay? So when it happens, you may be thirsty. Okay? Pee less than usual. Siyempre, pag ikaw po ay napapawisan, ikaw po ay nauuhaw, okay, pero pinapawisan ka, siyempre, hindi less din ihi mo din, di ba? And your mouth might dry out. Ayun po yung mga conditions po. Kung meron kang ganyan, when it happens na malayong tuyo po yung iyong bibig, tuyo po yung iyong lalamunan, konti lang yung ihi mo, and ang mouth mo ay dry, tuyong-tuyo, and you can even feel dizzy. Yan po, ikaw po ay hilong-hilo. lightheaded, no ba? Alam niyo po, and confused. Yun po ang nangyayari po pag nakulangan po tayo ng mga sodium, potassium, at pag hindi enough yung ating pag-inom ng ating liquids. Okay? And of course, number 5, your kidneys stay healthier. Water helps your kidneys remove waste from your blood. If you don't get enough water, that waste along with acids can build up. So pag hindi ka umiinom ng moderate enough or good enough amounts of water, mag-accumulate lang po yan sa loob ang iyong mga acids and mga waste products. That can lead to the kidneys getting clogged up and proteins called myoglobin. Okay? Dehydration can also lead to kidney stones and urinary tract infections. Ayan po mga masters. For now, yan lang muna ang ating topic. Okay? Top 5 lang muna tayo sa ating mga ang tawag dito is yung ating ang topic is what happens to your body when you drink enough water. So, 5 lang muna yung i-discuss natin. And of course, mamaya po, meron naman tayong premiere marathon sa Bahay Kulitan. Ayan po, mag-uumpisa tayo ng 1 p.m. Okay? And then, meron tayong 4 na mga hosts. At syempre po, maraming salamat talaga sa inyong full love and support. Maraming salamat at ako po ay talagang happy dahil po lumalaki na po yung team natin, yung mga supporters natin, mga friends natin. And always be happy. Kulitan lang po tayo, now below the belt na kulitan. And of course, help each other, make each other comfortable, yun, at makipag-friends sa iba para po tayo ay lumaki at lalago ng lumago. Alright, this is G, and your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!